Hi, I hope you are doing really well. And today's our topic is how to add order tracking page on Shopify. And in this video, we are going to break down each and every process step by step for you. As a beginner, you will find out the video is really helpful for you. So keep watching and let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see our interface. This is our Shopify interface and we already set up everything in this store. I hope so you also completed your setup in your Shopify store and also you are getting similar kind of interface. If you see in the left corner, you will find out various options in here. In here, you need to go little bit further down and you will find out sales channel option. Below the sales channel option, you will able to see online store. Just click here. Once you click on online store, you will able to see further more option, that is themes, pages and preference. So our main goal is to create a tracking page for our store. So we need to access pages option. Just click here and you are able to see a new interface where we can create or edit a page. So in here we can see we have already an existing page, that is contact page, but we need a new page where we will do some kind of edit. We will make a design here. So for that reason, we need to go in the right side of the top corner and click on add page button. Once you click on add page button, you will find out this kind of an interface where you are able to do anything for your page. Like you need to have option for title, you have option for content, you have option for visibility, and also here have the save button option. But right now when you hover on the save button, you are not able to access it. Because of that reason is when you want to access the save button, always make sure that you have a title. It is mandatory for a page. So I am right now giving a name, that is tracking page. You can see when I give the name, I am really able to access the save page. But also another thing is make sure when you are going to save the page, always make sure that your visibility is visible. Make sure this never publish a page, because without doing this, you are not able to access, or your client or your customer not able to see the tracking page. So for that reason, you need to click on visible, then go further work. Like you can do save your page, and then once you click on the save, you will get the message that tracking page created. So if you want to make sure that your page is really created or not, just click on view button and you will find out that your page has been completed and your page has been done. So you can see that we have tracking page and you can see the link also. So right now we need to go to the previous pages again. Just click on pages and you can see the interface. We already have tracking page option. If you click on view page option, you can able to see the view tracking page, but we just need to be edit. So for that reason, we need to be click on tracking page. Once we click on tracking page, we are able to edit it. In here you can see we have a content box. In here we will do all the steps we are going to do in this video. Like we are going to edit the box, or we can add any text here. So for that reason, if you are thinking how I will design here, we already give you some script in our description box. Just check it and you will find out a link. It is a Google Doc link. Just click on the link and you will get the options like this, and you are able to access this page. Once you visit the page, you have the tracking page script option in the deep down. When you will scroll down, you will find out the option. Just copy it and paste it to your content box. But remember, before paste it, always enable your show HTML. If you don't enable the HTML option, you are able to getting the desired result. Like let me give you a sample. I am doing it without enabling so HTML. Just click on the save button and let's see what will happen with my page. Just view. You can see we are not getting any result. But if you want the result, just click on the show HTML. Right now you can see the design, but we don't need this one. Just remove this option and paste the main script, and now you can see the main script is like this. And now just click on the save button, and once you click on the save button, just visit your page, and then you will find out that your page is completed. You can see we have the tracking box, we have the tracking button. In here you can see we already write something that enter your tracking number here to see your order status. So right now we can see write anything randomly like random, and just click on the track button, and you can see this is working. And this way you can implement the code in your store also, and you also able to access the thing. Right now we don't have any tracking number like this name, that's why we are not getting anything. So we have also an option that is copy the random name. In here if you click on random, you will find out that copy completed, the contents have been added to the clipboard. So it is really smooth process and really easy, and it is really helpful for your customer or client. So you can see that our work has been completed, but to make it more easy to accessible for your client, you can add it in menu bar. So for that reason you can go to the menu option. In here you need to be go in the content box, and you will able to see the menu option. Just click on the menu option, and you can see in here we have three menus. First one is main menu, second one is footer menu, and third one is customer account main menu. You can see we all have the menu items too, but we need to be work on main menu only. Just visit here, and you can see menu items. We have home, catalog, and contact. Just we need to be create a new menu item for our customer here. Just give a label name, it will be like tracking, and just copy your link here and paste it in here, and it will be the suggestion for your link. Just click here and click on right button, and then your work has been completed. Right now you just need to be click on save. Once you click on the save, you will get the message that menu has been updated. Now you need to be visit in the page, and you will find out that the tracking option. Whenever your new customer or your existing customer will be visit, they can easily access the tracking option, and they can track their product where it is located right now. It is really smooth and easy process. I hope so you love the video. If you love the video, just hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And also you can share your comment in the below, it will be helpful for us. And don't forget to share our video. And that's it, we need to be wrap up here. Let's meet you tomorrow again.